Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. Today we are going to do the unboxing for these cool BBR Ferraris. What is cool about them? They both are from BBR, which is a collaboration model from the Mini GT. And they both are Ferraris and they both are in rosa red kind of color. I don't know what they call this color, but I think this is something rosa red or something. Lamborghini call it rosa Mars, and Pagani call it rosa Dubai, I guess. I don't know what Ferrari call it, but look at this. I have got my hand on this one earlier, but I was waiting for this one to come so that I can do the unboxing for both. So now let's open this up. My cutter is not working properly either, or maybe because this is a different kind of box. I'm always excited to open these boxes, these cars, and see, this is how I open. I'm not pulling it out totally. Instead, I'll just pull this thing out. Look at that, baby. This is so beautiful. Okay, look at this. Look at this. And I don't want to damage the car. Man, look at that beauty. This is literally a piece of art. There's nothing much on the base. Look at that. Let's put this on turntable and have closer view on it, huh? So this is your cool Ferrari Daytona SP3. Those who have followed me or subscribed my channel have seen one of the unboxing I've done from the Icona model collection. It was having some differences, and like on this one we do not have any exhaust detailings, but on that we had. But trust me, this one is far better because this rolls really well as well. I have checked it, guys, and see, this is very clean kind of car. We do not have much on the sides, just the Ferrari logo, but it looks really cool. It has all the carbon fiber detailing on the bottom, on the headlights as well. Have Ferrari logos in the front. I really like the wheels as well on this. The silver wheels on the tail light as well. It says Daytona, and it looks cool actually. It looks really cool. Now let's move to the next one. It's a Ferrari 296 GTB. I don't have this particular casting in any make, so like this is the first one of kind I got my hands on. Actually, initially I was not even having many of the Ferraris in my collection, but now I have a few from Tarmac, BBR. Yes. The money spent well. Oh, look at this beauty. Look at that. See the engine details. I'm not even sure if you can see. There are some engine details. This is kind of a blurry glass, but still you can see the engine inside. Cool, isn't it? Let's put this one here and put this part this here. Yeah. BBR castings are something really cool kind of collaboration that they have with Mini GT, and because of that we are getting these kind of awesome cars. The rear of this car is so great. All the exhaust details and carbon fiber detailing on the sides. With the front, on the front we have the logo of Ferrari. It's a clean car, just like the SP3 Daytona, and is still the OG car. But I really love the detailings on the rear of this car. Loved it. And I've already showed you how does the engine looks. I'm digging both of these. I love it. I love both of them. I love BBR. So this was your BBR Ferrari showcase, guys. I really love both of these. They are actually kind of same color and the wheels are same and everything is so beautifully done on these castings. I'm waiting for more from the BBR. Let's see what going to come out soon in the same color. I'll definitely buy if it's coming out. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.